Come over here, Perry. Come, Perry. Come. Come with your boys. Over here. There you go. Come. Come. There you go. There we go. Oh, Perry's going to get up here. I think they're afraid of the thunderstorm coming. What's wrong, Perry? What's wrong, Perry boy? What's wrong? What's wrong?
It's raining across the lake.
What's wrong? Miles, what are you doing? What are you doing? You good boy. Yes. They're all good boys, huh? George is George has been swimming some, huh? Yeah. Yes, he has. He's been swimming. And oh, Perry's just taking it easy there, buddy. The flies messing with you? You're funny, Perry. Perry boy. Perry boy. Got all of them out here taking care of Daddy. Yeah, they're all watching over Daddy.
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's his boy, huh? See, Miles loves Daddy because Daddy reminds him of Bethany and Julia and Michael and Lucy. Yeah. Yep, see, he just follows him around. He is his shadow. Adores him. Daddy's more quiet than Mommy. He just stays right with you. Oh. I thought, that must be fingernail polish. I thought it was blood for a minute. Uh-oh. Okay. Stays right with you.
Putting the chairs on.
It's going to be a storm tonight. What do you think, Miles? Miles? You good boy, huh? They're all good boys. Oh, it looks like there's more that crack, but that's all right. You don't have to worry about it. It's all right. Miles will take care of it for you. Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, my goodness. Sorry. That's not funny at all.
Look over there. See it pouring
Oh,
rain,
yeah. It's beautiful.
and it's coming this way. So, I'll take care of it.
Oh, I see. All right. He's just following you. What do you think, boys? You guys ready to go in the house now?
Cool off.
Did you potty enough? Oh, Perry might take a little dip. Hold on here.
He already waited.
Oh, did he? You gonna
All by
take a dip?
himself.
You gonna take a dip, Perry? And go swimming? George, let him be. Go ahead. Go ahead. Perry, gonna take a dip? And go swimming? No? Okay. How about you, Miles? Miles like, no can do. Not for me, huh? Not for me. Oh, I'm just gonna drink out of it. Yuckies. Oh, Perry's got his feet in. Nice. Look at you. Look at you. Don't drink it though, Perry. Yuckies. Yuckies.
He was standing on the second shelf. Just like
Cooling, huh? That's funny that he's standing like that. Perry, don't drink it. Hey, don't drink it. Go drink your own water. No, I don't. George is so excited that Perry's become a water dog. Yeah. Did you want to swim before we go in? Go swim. Go, come. Want to swim? Go, take a little dip. Hurry. Go ahead. Go swim. Go ahead. Oh, you want Perry to go with you, huh? Go do it. George, if you go in, he might. If you go in, he might. Yeah.